Hello everybody, it's Jason from Investing Logically. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about the stock market today. It's been red, so I'm going to talk about some stocks you should consider buying on the dip. The first stock on the list is called Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So it's currently trading around $7.41 has a 52-week high of $900, so now would be a great buying time. Buy this at a certain price, so now would be a great time, and buy how much you can afford. We're not going to average down on this one because this is a long-term hold. A 2 to 5% drop is not worth it for the stock because this is for the long term. It's a long-term hold. Next one on the list is NIO. It's trading around $52.33. It's currently down nearly 5% on the day. 52-week high of $66.99. So now would be a great time to buy this stock. I do think the reason this is down is because the whole market is down, because people might be selling this stock to get into the CCIV stock, which is merging with Lucid Motors, which is a huge competitor to the largest EV company. You buy this one at a certain price and you buy how much you want. It really doesn't matter which price you buy this at. The next stock is Fiverr. It's nearly down 12% on a day, so now would be a good time to buy into the stock. This has a high of nearly $340, so now would be a great time to buy into. I would buy this one at a certain price, and I would buy how much I can afford. I would buy its current price, and I would buy 5 shares because that's all I can afford. Fiverr to present at the JMP Securities Technology Internet Conference. They're going to talk about the company and how it's changing the world. I think this presentation will be good for this company. Last stock on the list is called CRIS. So I've talked about the stock last week. Basically, I said in my last week's video is that you should average down on the stock. You should set strike prices and strike on this on 4 separate days. My first strike price is $10.20 or below. So on the 26th of February, they have a presentation. So they will be discussing their drug that will help the treatment of cancers. So I do think that's good. Those were some of my favorite stocks to buy in the dip today and this week. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. See you guys in the next one. Happy investing.